Well, my name is Kathy, and it's so nice to be able to talk to you about this wonderful Easy Israel tour. Oh, we had such a fun time, and things were so organized, and you felt so secure, and you knew from place to place where you were going. It was explained very well. Wonderful tour leader, Trish, who's so helpful and so kind. And also the others that helped too, the tour leader and the bus driver, everyone involved. And the hotels were good, very comfortable. Everyone was nice and hospitable, and the food was delicious everywhere we went. And it was a very good experience. And I traveled by myself. I'm 67, and I felt very comfortable, and I was so glad that I did book this tour with the Easy Israel Tours, and I would recommend that.